Starting the 182. Nobody had flown this airplane for a couple of days, so it's quite possible it's going to be a little while for this to start. Using ForeFlight, the checklist for the 182. Throttle, we check for about a 1/4 inch open, about a 1/4 inch. Propeller high RPM, we just send it all the way in. Mixture idle off, propeller area clear. Clear! Master switch on. And I start the timer right now. That's how I know about how much we're flying. So auxiliary fuel pump on, it's the switch over here. It's on, we can hear it. Mixture advance. So we're checking for the fuel flow. So it moved a little. Now we leave it idle off. And now auxiliary pump off. Ignition start. Ignition start. And of course the keys are still in my pocket. Start, and here's we call again. Close. Clear! Started right away. Start.